I think the biggest part is understanding that you're part of a team. You know, nobody has all the answers, but in our business, it's key to get the right answer every time. I'm Sergeant First Class Scott Cherokee, 15 uniform, Chinook mechanic from Pennsylvania National Guard. My job basically is to go out and fix aircraft. I've eventually progressed into a flight engineer, so I actually get to go out and fly on the aircraft. It's a pretty versatile platform. There are a lot of different things that you can do with it. The domestic operations side of things, with fires, hurricanes. Recently we loaded hay and straw for stranded cattle.
So there's his cattle there at the, come around to the 12 o'clock.
It's used across a wide spectrum of operations. Back in 2006, we got phone calls at like 2 in the morning. Dam up north broke. We actually landed in a football field, jumped out the back, and we're here to rescue you. And they had no clue because they lost power 18 hours ago. And we hauled out about 970 people out of that town that day. I've been doing it for 25 years now, and I still love it. The places that aircraft has taken me are amazing. I've seen parts of other people's countries that they will never see. I've done and helped so many people. It's a really gratifying job at the end of the day, you know, when you rescue a guy off the top of a tractor and he hugs you and goes, "Thanks, I didn't know I was going to make it or not." You know, that's rewarding, that's gratifying, and it makes you want to go out and do it again.